Walgreens and scored $122 worth of products for $34 out of pocket, and that includes 3 bags of diapers and a box of baby wipes, which is perfect for my son and for a baby shower I have coming up. And don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step all the deals that you can do, exactly how you can score, and I'm gonna show you at the end all of my receipts so you know exactly how I made this all work. Plus, I'm gonna show you a couple different scenarios because everybody got these digital boosters this week. For spend 30, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. We also have some pretty good curbside pickup deals that you can do as well, so I'll be sure to add those to the breakdowns below. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Bree. I help you save money on all of your family essentials so you can take your savings, put it towards your debt, and build your emergency fund. So if that's something you're interested in, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. I am going live on Friday where I'm gonna be teaching you my step-by-step process. It's a very simple 5-step system that I use to be able to save 75% every month, using only my phone, be able to track my spending and pay off my debt and build my emergency fund at the same time without being restrictive with my spending. I still go out to eat. We just got back from another vacation to Chicago. I'm able to do all of it at the same time using this system. So anybody can do it. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on Friday. So if you wanna come, the link will be below for you in the description box, and that way you can reserve your seat. It will be hosted on Zoom. So let's head inside to Walgreens now and take advantage of so many amazing deals. So with that digital booster, there's of course a million products that are going to be included, and you can stack digital coupons with it. One option that you can add in is the Dove deal. These are on sale for $5 each. Buy 2 in store, get a $3 register reward. Plus we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $6, earn back a $3 register reward, makes them $1.50 each. But we've been having so many issues with the Dove with the digital coupon not coming off unless you buy a specific one, which I always forget which one that is, and the register reward sometimes not printing, so I'm definitely not messing with this one. But if you want to give it a shot, definitely do so. If you know the exact type that you need to buy for the digital coupon to come off, please let us know in the comments. Another hair care deal is going to be on the Shea Moisture or the Nexus products. So if you want to do it with the Shea Moisture, I personally love these. I use them in my son's hair all the time. They're on sale for $10 each. Spend $20 in store, get a $10 register reward, and this will stack with the digital booster. So you can grab any 2 that are $10 each, clip the $2.50 off 1 digital coupon. You'll pay $17.50 out of pocket, earn back the $10 register reward, makes it $7.50 for 2 of them, so not a bad deal on Shea Moisture. So here's one option that you can do using the booster for spend 30, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. If you like Nexus, you can definitely stock up super cheap. Grab any 2 of the bottles that are on sale for $16 each. They're also part of the promotion for spend 20, get 10. If you want to do it on Shea Moisture and you want to do the Nexus way, just has to be in 2 separate transactions. That way you'll get the register reward each time. So total for these 2 is $32. We have a 9 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $24 out of pocket, earn back a $10 register reward, and $7 in Walgreens cash. Makes your net cost only $6 for 2 bottles or $3 per bottle, which is an amazing deal. The next deal is on Dove body wash. You can do the men's or the women's. They're on sale for $8 each. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. And we have an 8 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $8 out of pocket, earn back a $3 register reward, makes it $5 for 2 bottles or $2.50 a piece. We also have some great deals on laundry products again this week, especially Gain and Bounce. They are on sale for $9.99 for the large ones, and buy 2 in store, get a $5 register reward. Now, of course, there's a bunch of ways you can do it. You just want to pick 2 products. You could grab this and clip the $2 digital coupon. The large Gain liquid is also included with a separate $2 digital coupon. Or you could grab a large fabric softener with another $2 digital coupon. So here's an example. Total is $19.98. After the $4 in digital coupons come off, you're going to pay $15.98, earn back a $5 register reward, makes your final cost $10.98 for 2 big bottles or $5.49 a piece. We're stocking up on cleaning products again this week because this is valid all month long. It's valid for like 2 months till May. So they're buy two, get one free, mix and match. It doesn't matter. So what I'm gonna do is we're stacking it with Ibotta cash back offers. If you're new to Ibotta, use this code QMEHSBF. You'll get a $5 bonus on top of this when you submit your first receipt. So what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of these scrubbing bubbles because I like to use it. It's $5.49 each. We're submitting to Ibotta for $1.25 cash back each. If you want to grab 3 of them, you definitely can. But I also need some Windex, so I'm going to grab this one as well. This will be the free product, and I'm going to get $1.25 cash back from Ibotta. So for all 3 of them, my final cost is just $2.07 a piece. Some other products that have Ibotta rebates are the Easy Clean down here has a $1.25 Ibotta rebate, plus the Windex foam has a separate rebate as well, and these are only $4.49, so you could definitely grab 3 of those. Get a $1.25 cash back each, gives you $3.75 cash back from Ibotta. That makes your final cost $5.23 for all 3 of them, or just $1.74 a piece. We also have some digital coupons for Febreze. They're on sale for $3.49 as well, so you can grab one of these, clip the $2 off one digital coupon, you'll pay just $1.49. You can also grab one of the Febreze bathroom refreshes here for $3.49 on sale as well. With a separate $2 digital coupon, makes it $1.49, so not a bad deal. We have an incredible deal to stock up on diapers, so if you are expecting, definitely make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I will help you make sure you are stocked up for probably the first year for like 50% off using only your phone. So today, we're grabbing some Huggies. What I'm gonna do is the deal in store, they are 2 for $21, buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So I also have a baby shower coming up, so I'm gonna grab 2 of the size 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Huggies Little Snugglers. Then you could grab 2 of the Huggies pull-ups. We have a separate 3 off 2 digital coupon, and we can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents cash back each. So if you do it this way, you're at $42 in product value. You also want to clip this digital booster for spend 30 on health and wellness, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. After the digital coupons come off for $6, you're going to wind up paying $36 plus taxes out of pocket. Then you're going to earn back the $5 register reward, $7 in Walgreens cash from the booster, and $1.50 from Ibotta because we submitted back for 75 cents each. That makes your final cost $5.62 per bag, which is an incredible stock-up price. Another way you can do it is I really wanted to grab 2 of the boxes of wipes so that way I can give them wipes and diapers, but my store only has 1. So this is how I'm personally gonna do it. I'm gonna grab these 4 products. Total is gonna be the same at $42, but I only have a $3 off 2 digital coupon. So I'm gonna pay $39, get back a $5 register reward, $7 in Walgreens cash, plus on Ibotta we'll get 75 cents cash back here, and on Ibotta I'll get 25 cents cash back here. That makes my final cost $6.50 per product, still an incredible deal, and that way I'm doing it in a way that actually works for what I personally need. We're also grabbing our oral care this week, so what I'm going to do is the Crest deal. Grab the ones that are $4. They're buy 3, get a $5 register reward, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $7, earn back the $5 register reward, makes it $2 for 3 tubes of toothpaste or 67 cents a piece. Next deal we're doing is on Colgate, so you can either grab the toothpaste, toothbrushes, or the mouthwash. If you grab the toothpaste, they're $4.50 each. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, makes them just $1 a piece. Another hair care deal this week is on L'Oreal Elvive. I'm actually out in my stockpile and it's one of my favorite to use personally, so I'm gonna grab it. They're on sale 2 for $11. And buy 2, get a $2 register reward. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $7, get back a $2 register reward, makes your final cost $5 for 2 of them or $2.50 a piece. The deal alone is not the best, but when you're stacking it with a digital booster, it winds up being a pretty good deal, so that's why I'm gonna grab it. If you need a filler item or something, what you can do with the Shea Moisture digital coupon, instead of doing the deal, is just to grab one of the hair masks here. It's $2.99 and there's a $2.50 digital that works with it. So I'm gonna use this to get me over the $30. Here's an option that you can do using the spend $30, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. Total for all these products is $38. So I'm gonna use $5 in Walgreens cash. Now my total is $33. After all the digital coupons come off, which is $17 worth, I'm gonna pay $16 plus taxes out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back a $5 register reward, a $5 register reward, and a $3 register reward, plus $7 in Walgreens cash from that digital booster. That makes your net cost $1 for all 7 of these products, which is an amazing deal. Let me show you a second option that you can do in case you don't need to stock up on oral care. Keep in mind the digital booster is a one-time use, so you have to pick whatever way works best for you. So total for all of these is going to be $31.29. After all the coupons come off, you'll pay $16.79 out of pocket. Then you're going to earn back a $3 register reward and a $2 register reward. Plus, you're going to earn back $7 in Walgreens cash. That makes your final net cost $4.79 for all 5 products, making them less than $1 a piece. So this is another really good option. Okay, we are back in from Walgreens. I had one digital coupon for Colgate not come off, which is so rare and random. They were the only Colgate mouthwashes that were there with the Optic White. But when I did click on the coupon, that's like the only product that it doesn't show that it attaches to. So my fault on that. I should have done like a little bit more homework. But other than that, everything went great. I did switch up a couple things last minute, so I'm gonna go over all of my transactions. I did 4 transactions today, a little bit more than usual, but it's very important because it helps me keep my out-of-pocket cost as low as possible. $34 today is incredible. Plus I earned cash back from my Ibotta as well. So my first transaction was this one. Oh, okay. So I did the Colgate, the Dove, and the Crest. The Colgate didn't come off, so it should have been $4 less. It would have been $16.12 out of pocket. Then I did earn back the $7 in Walgreens cash from that digital booster, plus a spend $30, get $7 in Walgreens cash paper booster printed for me today, which is really rare because those I haven't printed for me in like literally months. Plus I got back my register rewards from this transaction. So then in my second transaction, this one I did on my mom's account because she needed these products. So I did the Elvive, the Dove, and the Shea Moisture. These are the register rewards that I just earned that I rolled. I did not use the $3 Dove register reward because I was doing the deal again. Digital coupons came off. Did not use any Walgreens cash. In the video, I said I was going to use $1, but I didn't because I used a paper spend booster. You cannot pay with any Walgreens cash with a paper booster. Paid $10.98 out of pocket. Then I earned back $14 in Walgreens cash, $7 from the digital booster and $7 from the paper booster. Plus, I did get back all of my register rewards. Now, because my out-of-pocket is now like $6 higher than I was originally anticipating, when I did my diaper deal, I decided to not use the digital booster and use Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Because again, that is your main priority, is a low out-of-pocket cost, not chasing boosters. Plus, I had already gotten the additional $7 back from that paper booster. So I pretty much am still ending up with the same amount of Walgreens cash from boosters and things like that. So then I did the Huggies deal, used the register rewards that I had left, digital coupons came off, used $20 in Walgreens cash, so I paid only $10.50 out of pocket. Then I submitted over to Ibotta and got $1 cash back on these products. And then I did not earn any Walgreens cash because I used so much at checkout. And then my last transaction was the buy 2, get 1 free in the cleaning supplies. Used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $1.75 out of pocket. Then I submitted over to Ibotta and got $3.75 cash back. So this transaction was actually a small moneymaker. Now, what we're gonna do is go home. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna log each of my transactions in my budget spreadsheet. It takes me probably 60 seconds. Highly recommend it. If you're not tracking your spending, I guarantee you that's why you're not saving as much as you think. So let's head home. I'm gonna enter everything in the transaction so you can see exactly what my cash cost is from grabbing over $122 of products today. So we'll do this together. Okay, we are back in from Walgreens. So I have my budget spreadsheet pulled up. If you don't have a budget spreadsheet, you want to use mine, I'll link it for you guys. You're welcome to. It comes with a video training as well, teaching you step by step how to use each of the tabs. This is so key to actually making sure that you're saving money and then taking action with the money that you save, because it'll calculate for you and let you know exactly how much you're saving. So what we're going to do is put in the date. Today is the 13th. From the drop down, we went to Walgreens. Excuse me. Now we're going to add up all the sale prices. So if something's on sale, that is the sale price. We're adding that up for each of the transactions. So my first transaction, the sale price was $38 for everything that we grabbed. Out of pocket, I paid, it was this one. $20.12, and then no cash back. My second transaction was $31.29. My out of pocket was $10.98, and no cash back on that one. My third transaction was the Huggies, so $42 in product value, because they were on sale 2 for $21. I got 4, so that's $42, okay? Paid out of pocket, $10.50. Cash back, I got $1. And then my last transaction was $10.98. I paid $1.75, and I got back $3.75. And then I'll add in the $3 from Fetch there. Okay, so in total, it shows that I've now saved $494.05 for this month so far, and we're only halfway through the month. So that is absolutely incredible. I do have $9 left in my budget, so I got to be really careful with the rest of my couponing for the month. But I'm averaging 78% saved per time I go to the store, which is incredible. So all the diapers I got today, all the cleaning supplies, everything I grabbed, I saved on average 78%. So that is why stacking your deals and tracking your spending are so, so important. If you guys are wanting to learn step by step exactly how I do this, how I'm finding deals on all the products that I'm using, and my 5-step process to be able to take huge chunks out of my debt, and I'm putting it towards my emergency fund as well, that's what I'm going to be teaching on Friday when I go live. So click this link here where it says free live class. You guys can register, and I will see you there. Bye.